make sure you check my blood pressure ready before we windstorm, because we live in Mesa, Arizona. We're having a storm about, southeast or west of our position. And what you want to do is, you want to top the pump during a windstorm, because you don't want the pump to run dry. You don't want this thing to get fast to get cold. We actually have a broken main drain problem, which is, we can't have that diverter going down, because, leaves can go on the bottom and suck. Well, at one time they can get clogged in our, in our main drain line. So it's always important to, get your pool ready before any type of windstorm or before any type of weather event. So what you want to do here, okay? You want to go ahead and turn off the pump. Okay. For other safety measures, you want to go ahead and turn your return line off, and you want to put the pool valve enclosed. Okay, enclosed. You don't want it on filter, you don't want it on backwash, you want it unclosed. So if the pump would have, when the pump is off at the bridge, if the pump would have accidentally turned on, no suction would be allowed through